Okay, here we are with Fletch Films. I just got done dumping a bunch of green matter with a bunch of dust in it, so I had this on. So right here we got the plum trees, these beautiful flowers. I don't know if you can see them. Nice sunset behind us. I just realized. Oh, whoa. Okay, there's a good background. Hey. And then there's the lemon tree right here. Hey. And then there's a pack of wild dachshunds. So there's one of the sheds, and there's my other studio. Arugula over here. Hey. Nah, get off. Hey. Nope. Okay. So there's some chard in here. I need to weed this very badly. I've got to harvest some celery tonight, so after I get done shooting this video, I'll maybe show you an end shot if I'm so diligent. Sorry, I'm out of breath. The celery over here. I chopped one of these down the other day and had some celery juice. I got to do these other ones and more weeding. And then over here, this artichoke that's lasted for the last like 3 to 4 years. I've lost count. And there's some more mint over in here and some other stuff, parsley. Over here is a passion fruit tree. Yeah. So yeah, this is what I like to do in my other spare time. Oh, and if you're wondering what in the world this is it's like a sage type of purple sage. It's a pollinator, and the nice flowers will start popping up here, and needs very little watering, and it attracts bees, and I need bees to pollinate the avocado trees, and you need bees to pollinate your stuff, your vegetable, everything it needs to get pollinated. So these attract the bees, and I got to cut it down a little bit. They're a little overgrown, but that's what all that sage is right in the middle of my garden. If you're wondering what the heck is that.
Hey, so I'm gonna just come over here and I'm gonna get you. I got you. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna body slam you. Yeah. Yeah, I got you. I totally got you. Wait. I'm like, watch it. I'm gonna get you. You see? Because I already got you in my mind, see? I'm gonna go over here and pee. I'm just gonna pee right now. Oh, I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you again. I'm gonna get you. I got your leg. What? I'm gonna get you. Oh. Am I gonna get you? Did I get you? Did I? I think I got you. I'm pretty sure I got you. I got your leg. Yeah.